Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create realistic sun in Adobe Photoshop. First, we need black background. Now create perfect circle on new layer. To create perfect circle, use fixed ratio 1:1. Make sure that foreground color is black and background color is set on white. Go on Filter, Render, and press Clouds. Again go on Filter, Render, and now press Different Clouds. Now go on Image, Adjustments, and press Invert. Then change levels. Move middle pane right side. Number depends on size of sun. My sun is around 700 pixels, so 0.15 works fine. Now go on Filters, Distort, and press Spherize. Go on Filter, Stylize, and press Font Edges. Again go on Image, Adjustments, and press Invert. This time go on Image, Adjustments, and press Hue Saturation option. Check Colorize checkbox and move first pin to 0. Move second pin slide to 100%. Now create new layer. Repeat all the steps. And now when you'll be at Hue Saturation option, check Colorize checkbox and move first pin to 40% instead of 0. Move second pin slide to 100% as before. Choose Blending mode. Again, it depends on size of sun. Mostly, multiply, linear burn and overlay are best options. In some cases even screen and vivid light works fine. Now merge these two layers and repeat everything on new layer. Repeat same steps over and over again, till you ain't gonna get result that you like. I learned about this trick long time ago, back in CS2 era. So I don't remember original author. If you know original author, tell me, cause he deserves place in description. Let's adjust few things. You can add white dots on background to give image more spacey look. Or you can remove black background completely and save sun as PNG format. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye!